Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers, your neighborhood car guy from McConnell Chevrolet and Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We're a little secret here in Northern California. But today, we got something special for you, and the secret's going to be out. The age-old question, Dodge or Chevy? Which one would you pick? The 6.4 Hemi V8 or the LS3 6.2 Chevy V8? They both have a lot of power. They both have a lot of style. One's four-door, one's two-door. Which one would win in a heads up? Let's take a look.
A few significant updates mark the 2014 Dodge Charger SRT. An active air intake and modified lifter joined new adaptive dampeners and finally some wheel-mounted paddles. They had 20-inch black chrome wheels, SRT stitched seats. The SRT Charger comes with a 6.4 or 392 cubic inch V8 Hemi that puts out 470 horsepower and 470 foot-pounds of torque. It does 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. It does the quarter mile in 12 seconds at 112 miles per hour. Top speed on this bad boy is 175 miles per hour. The 6.4 liter Hemi V8 now brings around 470 count for both the horsepower and torque, with a new SRT badge to replace the previous SRT 8 labels. The SRT Charger carries on with the older 5-speed automatic, which is one of the only automatic transmissions from any automaker that can send nearly 500 horsepower to just the back wheels. It's worth remembering that the exact transmission was also a fixture on the SL65 AMG Mercedes. Of course, it had a different gear ratio in the Mercedes with a 9-speed auto. Active cruise control and a few other safety innovations joined the Charger for 2014. Even though the SRT has 34 more horsepower than the Camaro, it's because it is a 4-door opposed to a 2-door. They have the same 0 to 60 time. The quarter mile, the SRT is a little faster than the Camaro. It's about 2 miles per hour faster in the quarter mile. The weight of the SRT is 4,364 pounds, as the Camaro is 3,935. The SRT has 10 inches more second row legroom than the Camaro, and it has 7+ inches more of second row shoulder room. The SRT has 16.3 cubic feet, while the Camaro has 11.3 cubic feet of trunk space. The SRT has racket pinion steering, while the Camaro has power steering. They both have multi-link rear suspension, while the SRT has front short, long arm suspension, while the Camaro has multi-link. Camaro has a 6.2 liter or 376 cubic inch V8 with 426 horsepower, 420 foot-pounds of torque. It does 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. It does the quarter mile in 13.1 seconds at 110 miles per hour. 2014 Camaro SS was overshadowed because they brought out the all-new Z28. The updates to the Camaro SS are very limited but nonetheless important. The main architecture of the new Camaro SS remain on the same, but the changeable components like the front fascia, hood, rear fascia, and bumper cover are all completely different. The grille in the 2014 was thinner and only featured vertical bars as opposed to horizontal and vertical bars on the 13 model. Because of the shrunken grille, the headlights are also squintier and feature wider lenses that cover the headlights and turn signals, giving the Camaro a sinister stare. The shorter grille also extends the Camaro's nose and creates a more rounded appearance. Around the back of the Camaro, there are some pretty big changes too. The biggest and most shocking of the changes are the all-new taillights. Instead of the dual taillights on either side on the 13 and before, the 2014 have barred taillights.
much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. These are two awesome cars. No matter which one you picked or liked better, you didn't go wrong. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so next time we make a video, you don't miss out. Thank you so much, guys.